Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the throttle body fuse is located. If you have problems with throttle body not working, codes related to throttle body malfunction, always check that fuse first, guys. Okay, we'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the throttle body fuse, where it is located, we're going to demonstrate, guys, on a 2010 Honda Accord. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes. We'll be working just one of them, luckily today, and that fuse box is located right under the hood. Open the hood in your Honda Accord. Right here you're going to notice that fuse box here, okay, that's the cover, that lid. Open it, guys, and you're going to see that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the throttle body specifically, we're going to check 2 fuses today, guys, and there will be regular fuses, luckily enough, but even if you need to buy some of those regular fuses, not just the special ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price. Here in that row of fuses, guys, if you come from the right to left and you count fuse number 15, 16, 17, the first fuse is fuse number 17 that you need to check right here, and then you need to check fuse number 18 as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.